connections. Because we're going to synthesize the information, and then we're going to put it into our own words, and then we're going to use that to make the connections on our own. So we're going to start with look after the comma. So when you make a connection, comma, you, we're going to start with look, but we're going to make that looking. Okay, so again, we made this example using movies. You have synthesizing. You're collecting information. You get the trailer, you get the Fandango, you get the review, you get what your friends' opinions. You're synthesizing the information. You bring it together. And now you paraphrase it. You put it in your own words and your own thoughts. Okay, well, this guy said that he didn't like the movie, but every time he says he doesn't like the movie, I usually love that movie. So I'm going to disregard, right? There's always those people or those reviews. And then you make that connection. So you're taking this information, this information, this information, putting it all together and coming and using your own experiences, life experiences, to come up with your decision. Okay? Are we all good on our definitions? Okay, keep those out as we answer. Please take out your clickers. And you may turn them on. And now I think I have to just connect this. Yay, it worked. Doesn't always work the first time. Okay. Class and students, period 1. Engage, lesson and assessments. We're doing verbal. This is it's including the session in the grade book, so every answer that you click, whether it's right or wrong, goes instantly into the grade book. And I have it set for classwork, period 1. Your clickers should be on. Is everybody on? Okay, are we ready? Okay. Question number 1. Remember, you can't start it until I start the session. Question number 1. I'm on page 26. No, I'm lying to you. I'm on page 30. That's better. Which selection provides the best introduction to earthquakes? Remember, some of these may have good introductions, but which one provides the best introduction to earthquakes? You may begin answering now. Will you check and make sure that it's zoomed in enough so that I want him to see the clickers? Try to be gentle so it's not too choppy. Couple more people. The only one we should be missing is 9 and 30. Are we good? All right, let's see how you did. Ooh, I like. And our correct answer is A. Okay, very good. So we only have 4 people that answered B and 1 person that answered C. But since the majority of you, the vast majority answered A, that means we can go on. And I'm going to try this. Are you guys ready for this?
No.
Oh, you're going to love it. Oh, Linda,
Yeah.
what did you get for number 1?
A.
Very good.
Yeah.
Tell me that's not the coolest thing ever. Oh, Ariana, what did you get for number 1?
A.
Good answer. Ollie, what did you get for number 1?
A.
Very nice. Isn't that magical? Sorry, guys. I think it's magical. Okay, number 2. Based on its Richter scale measure, which of the following effects which would have been unlikely as a result of the Northridge earthquake? So you're going to need to go back and look at that text, probably especially selection 2. Based on its Richter scale measure, which of the following effects would have been unlikely as a result of the Northridge earthquake? We're looking at selection 2 as well as selection 3. Okay, this just tells me this one's a little tougher. It's taking you time, but that's fine. I'd rather you take your time. Or what do you do if you need to change your answer? Good, just do it again. Just hit the correct answer and then hit the arrow again. Okay, you ready? Ah! Sorry. Ooh, good. Good. Bent rails. Because when do bent rails happen? About 7.4, and the Northridge was 6.7, so it wasn't severe enough for the bent rails to happen. So we had to synthesize. We had to look at the information here from the Northridge earthquake and compare it to the Richter scale. Number 3, what source listed below would supply the most information about the Northridge earthquake? The most information. So you're also looking at reliable information. So a local newspaper report from that time, an encyclopedia on earthquakes, a history of all of California, or a magazine report on earthquake safety. So we're looking for a reliable source that's going to be specific enough to address the Northridge earthquake.